Hello students, now we start practice set number 3.1 maths 2. Okay. In the last video we learned about remote interior angle theorem and this theorem using in that example. Okay. Now 3.1 first question. Question number first. Look at the here is given 3.1 given is one figure as like that. Okay, A, B, C and D. Angle ACD is an exterior angle. Okay. So given this, given what is given? Angle ACD is an exterior angle. Exterior angle. Okay. After that, D, angle B is 40 degree. Angle B is equal to 40 degree. So right here 40 degree. And angle A is equal to 70 degree. So right here 70 degree. Now find the measures of angle ACD. What is the measure of angle ACD? ACD is the exterior angle and angle B and A are remote interior angle. So we can use here remote interior angle theorem. And what is the remote interior angle theorem? That means angle ACD is equal to sum of remote interior angle. Means B plus A is equal to angle B plus angle A. Because right here remote interior angle theorem. Remote interior angle theorem. Now, angle ACD is equal to B. The measure of angle B is 40 plus angle A is 70. So it is equal to 110. So angle ACD is equal to 110. Okay. Look at here. It's so simple questions. Now start question number 2. Question number 2. Okay. In triangle PQR. Okay. So I draw here triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, P is equal to 70. P is given 70 degree. Q is equal to 65. Q is 65 degree. And find the R. R value find out correctly. Okay. So which theorem we can use here? Remote interior angle theorem or sum of all angle of triangle. So here is the theorem is the properties of triangle. Sum of all angle of triangle is 180 degree. Okay. So what is the given? Given things is angle P is equal to 70 degree and angle Q is equal to 65 degree. Now angle P in triangle right here in triangle PQR. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R. Sum of all this angle of triangle is equal to 180 degree. So right here sum of all angle of triangle is 180 degree. Okay. Now P is given here 70 plus Q is given 65 and find out R is equal to 180. Okay. 70 plus 65 how many? 70 plus 65 135 plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. आता काय होणार 135 उडी मारतो. So is equal to R is equal to 180 135 plus है उडी मारली minus होना 180 minus 135 how many? So R is equal to 180 minus 135 is 45 degree. Look at it. Is the second question. Okay. Now we will start question number 3. Question number 3 is the measure of angle of a triangle x minus 20 degree and x minus 40 degree. Find the measure of each angle. Is also simple question. Okay, third question. First of all, I draw here a triangle. Okay, the first one measure is x degree. Second one given is x minus 20 degree, and third one is x minus 40 degree. Okay, I put here name A, B, C. In triangle ABC. So find out measure of all angles. First of all, angle ABC. Sum of all this angle is 180 degree. Okay, so in triangle ABC. Okay, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to या तिघांची पण टोटल किती असणार 180 डिग्री. रिझन काय आहे ना, सम ऑफ ऑल अँगल ऑफ ट्रायंगल. सम ऑफ ऑल अँगल्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल is 180 degree. Okay, A किती आहे बघा, A is x plus B is x minus 20, C is x minus 40 is equal to 180 degree. X plus x plus x. How many x? X. There are 3x. Minus 20 minus 40 is minus 60 is equal to 180. आता कोण उडी मारणार? मायनस 60 ला सांगा उडी मारला काय होणार? मायनस आहे, उडी मारली प्लस होणार. ओके, सो राइट here remaining 3x is equal to 180 plus 60. 180 plus 60 is 240. Now x ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायची आहे. आता कोण उडी मारणार? 3 ने इथे मल्टिप्लाय केले, उडी मारली 3 ने होणार. सो x is equal to 240 divided by 3. X is equal to 3 8s are 24, 3 zeros are 0. So x is equal to 80. So therefore first angle is 80 degree. Now another angle. Okay, I write here. This one is the angle A is equal to 80 degree. And the angle B is equal to, the measure of angle B is x minus 20 is equal to, put the value x. X is equal to 80. Therefore 80 minus 20 is equal to 80 minus 20 is 60. So angle B is equal to 60. Now third angle is remaining. Angle C is equal to x minus 40. Okay, put the value of x. The value of x is equal to 80. So 80 minus 40 is equal to 80 minus 40 40. So angle C is equal to 40. So measure of all these angles are 80 degree, 40 degree and 60 degree. Okay, look at the board now. Now question number 4. Okay, question number 4 is given. What is given? They are given here. The measure of one of the angle of a triangle is twice the measure of its smallest angle. म्हणजे काय केले, एक जो अँगल आहे तो स्मॉलेस्ट पेक्षा डबल आहे, and the measure of the other is thrice the measure of smallest angle. आणि अजून एक अँगल आहे तो स्मॉलेस्ट पेक्षा तिप्पट आहे. ओके, 3 टाइम्स आहे. सो फाइंड द मेजर ऑफ 3 angles. बघा, एक दिलाय तो डबल दिलाय, एक दिलाय तो ट्रिपल दिलाय. मग कोणाच्या डबल आणि ट्रिपल? स्मॉलेस्ट अँगलच्या. सो एज्युम मेजर ऑफ स्मॉलेस्ट अँगल bx. Smallest angle x है. So twice of the smallest angle is 2x, and thrice of the smallest angle is 3x. These are the measure of angle of triangle. So now find out that. So angle x plus angle 2x plus 3x. Okay, don't write it angle. X plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180 degree. The reason is sum of all angle of triangle is 180 degree. Sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. Okay. Now, how many x are here? X plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 6x is equal to 180. Now 6 ला सांगा उडी मारा, मल्टिप्लिकेशन आहे, उडी मारली डिवीजन होणार, x is equal to 180 divided by 6. Okay, 6 1 जा 6, 6 3 जा 18, 6 0 जा 0, x is equal to 30. x किती आहे ना 30. So first angle, the smallest angle is 30 degree. Right here, smallest angle. Okay. Now the twice of the smallest angle. Twice of smallest angle. Smallest angle is equal to 2x. Okay, 2x, and x, the value of x is 30. So right here 2 into 30, 30 to the 60. Okay, here is smallest angle. Smallest angle. Now thrice of smallest angle. The third one, angle number third is 3x is equal to 3 into 30. 33 is 90. Okay, so first angle is 30, another second angle is 60, and third one angle is 90. Okay, look at the board now and write in your all these questions. Write in your notebook.